Having trying to understand personal pronoun, first, second, third person, we will do an exercise for us to understand personal pronouns. Underline the personal pronouns. And this is the first one. Underline the personal pronouns. It might look difficult, but I say it's very simple. Observe as you do along. First one. They did. They did not love me. My brother is a talented singer. The third one we have, take care. Take care of your parents. Next is, he kept us unaware. He kept us unaware. Next one, our family is a happy one. Is a happy one. We should never never cheat others. Please inform. Them. Please inform them about the changes. About the changes. Eight. They are young men. They are young men. 9. It was a bad day. It was a bad day. And finally we have the 10th one. She is always late. She is always late. We have 10 sentences here and it says personal pronoun. Remember, we have first person, second person, third person. So the three persons It's quite complicated, but we are doing exercise for us to understand the first personal pronouns. Underline the personal pronoun. Now, first one we have is, they did not love me. They. That will be the third person. So, they and me will be the me, first person. I, me, first person. So, they did not love me. They and me. They are personal pronoun. Second, we have, my brother is a talented singer. My. So you have here my brother. Whose brother? Mine. So my is a personal pronoun. Next, take care of your parents. Take care of your. That is another personal pronoun. Take care of your parents. He kept us unaware. He and us are personal pronouns. Our family is a happy one. Our family is a happy one. We should never cheat others. We and others. We have two here. Please inform them about the change. Them. And then you have, they are young men. They. Personal pronoun. It was a bad day. It. And then finally we have, she is always late. Now, personal pronouns are of three types. We said first person, second person, and the third person. In the first sentence we have, they did not love me. When you say me, that's the first person. We're talking about first person singular. So you have, that's the first person. And when you say they, it belongs to the third person. When you say they, so you have the first person, personal pronoun, third person pronoun. Second, we have my brother, my. When you say my, then you say my again, it's in the first person. Okay? The second we have is, next we have is, take care of your. When you say you, yours, you will say that is in the second. That is a second personal pronoun. And fourth one is, he kept us unaware. He. When you say he, she, that is again third person. And when you say us, when you say us, then you say it is this the first person. In the fifth sentence, we have our family. When you say our family, that's the first person. First personal pronoun. First. Then here we have we should. We. When you say we, again it's in the first person. We, all of us, first person. Next we have is, please inform them. When you say them, then it is the third person. They, again you have they here. When you say they, it is the third person. And when you say it always the singular and it's in the third person again. And she, when you say she, it's always in the third person. Now, what we have done here is, the first person when you say I, me and mine, we, us, your, us, all these are in the first person. When you say second person, you, yours, second person. And then when we say she, he, them, they, all comes under the third person. What we have done here is, we underlining, finding out which are the personal pronouns. They and me, they are personal pronouns. Yours, your, our, them, they, it, she, they are all personal pronouns. And here we have my, he, us, we, others. We're talking about cheat others, no. So what we have done so far is finding out first, second, third personal pronouns and underlining them so that we understand better. We'll do more exercise for us to understand the first, second, third personal pronoun.